So Genymotion is an Android emulator which includes a complete set of sensors and features in order to interact with a virtual Android environment. Let's go ahead and download Genymotion Desktop and install it. So we'll open favorite web browser. Search for Genymotion. First site is typically the official site but here, as you can see, of Genymotion right here. So click on it, scroll down a little bit, quickly look for the features. So see how it has solutions for on-demand, on-cloud providers and desktop. And we'll download the desktop solution. Now, like I said before, it has a free version for personal use, and after 30 days, its features will be limited, but what is available is going to be enough for our tests and what I'm going to show you. So we'll go to the download page, and these are all the available downloads for different operating systems. So download it for your operating system. Save the file, okay. And it gets downloaded, so let's open it up. So now that it's finished, we can install. So during installation, Genymotion also installs a shell script to the modification of sensor statuses. So we'll drag them to the application folder. All right, so let's open Genymotion from Launchpad. All right, so here we need to create an account to continue. So we'll create an account with a personal email address. Now, I've registered and activated my account with my email address, so that means I'm ready to log in. And you log in with your credentials and click Next. So we don't have a license, so we want to continue with personal use. All right, Next. Accept the user license agreement, and Next. Okay, so installation is complete. Now we arrive at the menu of Genymotion. In the following lectures, we will install a virtual device just by using the plus button.